Hi, I'm Foushée and I'm a recording artist from New Jersey, and today I will be showing you how to make a rosemary paloma. It's so good, it's herbaceous, it's bubbly like me, and we're gonna put some Patrón Silver in there and you're gonna love it. The first step is to make our rosemary syrup. So if you follow me, I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple to make. Our first ingredient is water. We have sugar. So about a cup of sugar in equal parts water. And what would our rosemary simple syrup be without the rosemary? And you know, you can just use your own discretion on that. I like a lot of rosemary. So first I'm gonna start with the water. I'm gonna put the sugar in there. And you wanna stir it until it dissolves. Stir it, give it a good stir, get in there until all of the powder is gone. I like it to be a strong rosemary flavor, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my rosemary now. I'm gonna put a lot in there. Just put as much as you want. This is your drink. You want it to get hot enough just to come up to a boil. You don't want it to boil, because we don't want to make caramel. Just making a little syrup, and then you're gonna let it cool. Looks like it's ready. I'm gonna take it off the heat, let it cool, strain it, and then it'll be ready to be added to the cocktail. So let's get started. First, you wanna get your shaker. It already has ice in here. I'm gonna measure out my lime juice. You need about ½ ounce of this. Some lime juice, make it nice and citrusy. And then about1/4 ounce of rosemary syrup. A rosemary syrup that we just made. Perfect. And we're gonna do about 1.5 ounces of Patrón Silver. It is clean and additive free. It's a small batch tequila and it's nice and light so it won't overpower our ingredients. Okay, now you wanna shake this for about 20 seconds. It's ready. Okay, so put your ice in the glass. I like it nice and icy. I'm gonna put like 4 cubes in there. Damn, depending on how big your glass is. One more shake for good luck. Nice. Looks good. Top it off with some grapefruit soda. A little bit of bitters to deepen the flavors a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. And last but not least, garnish with some rosemary and grapefruit. I'm gonna have a little taste. It's so good. I outdid myself. So well balanced, a little citrusy, not too sweet. It's so good, and the Patrón balances the citrus so well. And if you want to make this at home, go visit Food52 right now to check out the recipe.